Hey guys, welcome back to And Sometimes Why.
I can tell. Too late, I'm in the 40s. Gotta go run the horns. Faster.
And this is part 3 of the Washington Wizards rebuild. And if you missed part 2, we were the 1 seed. And we lost to the 8 seed Orlando Magic. So we knew changes had to be made. And changes were made. We've got Trae Young and Kingston Flemings running the 1, AJ DeBonsa and Will Riley running the 2, Jalen Johnson and Tyron Stokes running the 3, Chet Holmgren and Keyshawn George running the 4, and Jokic and Kyle Filipowski running the 5. We're going to go in and just skip right to player progression. Jokic is going down a little bit. I think Jokic is going to have to get traded eventually. I tried to trade him for Wemby. I don't know if that's going to make the video. Is there a 2029 draft class? Sure. So untapped potential. Like I said, this helps players with lower potentials. I think this is a no-brainer. I'm giving it to AJ DeBonsa and Tyron Stokes. This is going to be my duo of the future. You guys don't know about Tyron Stokes. Go read up on Tyron Stokes. Yeah, this team is pretty good, isn't it? The 1 point of upgrade could be Trae Young at this point. But I feel like I got to keep it somewhat realistic. Trae Young was the one that wanted to be here in DC to usher in the new era. So we're going to keep him around for now. Let's just get straight to simulating. Last year we started out 15-1. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that, but I don't care as long as we don't lose to the 8 seed. Standings. How are the Bulls so good? The Orlando Magic team, I guess they're deep. That Orlando Magic team is better than them. And they're... all because we took away Wendell Carter, and I guess LeBron is gone. Where did LeBron go? I guess we'll find out. As long as we do better than last year. Player stats. Just what I expected. A very balanced. Nicola's getting some minutes too. I don't hate that. Oh, I forgot to send you to the G. Forgot to send Olivier Ryu to the G League. So he can develop a little bit. So I think it'll be funny if he's the backup center soon. Let's go back to the player stats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 players. 6 players in double figures. AJ and Tyron Stokes both need to work on their 3-point shooting. Okay. Can this guy shoot? I mean, he does have insanely long arms. Yeah, he can. He's never attempted a 3. Maybe he's not getting in that much. Jokic, insanely efficient as always. I'm just going to look at contract extensions because I think Jokic is a free agent. He's going to test free agency. That's great. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Always have CPU, but let's see what they did to that rotation. All right, I'm okay with that. All right, we just beat the Bulls. That's pretty big. They're the 1 seed. All right, we're actually 1 win better than last year. Trevor Keels wins Rookie of the Year. The Bulls did have the #1 pick. There goes Bilal. Billy Donovan, Coach of the Year. The Bulls had a better record than us, but that's okay as long as we don't lose in the first round. We got some love. We got Jokic on All-NBA 3rd team. Did Caleb Wilson make it? No, Caleb Wilson didn't make it because this guy is an 85 as a rookie. All right. We got Chet Holmgren on all defensive 2nd team again. I guess our guy didn't make it because he didn't really play. We're the 2 seed this year. As long as we don't lose in the first round, that is a success. We're going up against the Pacers, who are pretty good. But I like our front court a lot better. All right, guys. Don't do anything funny. Don't do anything funny. We're just going to simcast it. No funny business this time. All right, we're up 3-1. And we make it. And we are playing... The Orlando Magic are nowhere to be found. We are playing the New York Knicks, who look very similar. This is basically... Who is this? They have a Daymara. How did that happen? So this is basically a little bit of an older version of the championship team with a very deep bench. And they're the 6th seed. So I might do a little something here. Let's put Jalen Brunson on. Let's have... Yeah. Let's have AJ deal with Jalen Brunson. Yep. Let's see how we did with Jalen Brunson, if he was still getting his or not. Tyron Stokes. All right, so Jalen Brunson. AJ was guarding Jalen Brunson. Held him to 5 for 13 in game 2. All right, Jalen Brunson got his mostly. But the rest of the team didn't. And look at Jokic, 15, 10, and 12. And it's Tyron Stokes and AJ DeBonta leading the way. Trae Young is kind of just riding the coattails. And we're in the conference finals. The Wizards in 2028. I guess this is 2029, technically. The Wizards have made the conference finals for the first time in 51 years. And we lost to the Bulls. I'll take this as an improvement, though. We just got to make sure we get Jokic back. And then next year will be the year we contend. And the Spurs win. Wemby is the MVP and the Defensive Player of the Year and the GOAT. LeBron is on the... LeBron spent his last year on the Grizzlies. They really want to eliminate that shot clock. Did we give up a lot of our picks, or did we still have some and sometimes why cheese? No and sometimes why cheese, but we got Jokic. Pretty sure we don't have any draft picks. So we can just go to rookie signing. Yeah. Player options, Tyron Stokes, and Will Riley. So Brunson declined. But our objective right now, we got to bring these guys back too. Our objective right now is to re-sign Nikola Jokic and give him all of the money. Whatever it takes to get Nikola Jokic. How much money can we give him? All right, we're his number one offer. And then Keyshawn George we can match. All right, so we got Jokic. We got Jokic back. So now let's focus on getting our guys back. Keyshawn George. And this is probably where we trade Keyshawn George. And Kyle Filipowski. Alright, so trades need to be made. No, I'm not renouncing my rights to Keyshawn George. Alright, we need to make Jokic. It's been real, but let's see. None of these offers are going to be great. Oops. Why did they make Kobe a 97 overall? Yeah, that's not... I have to get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, this draft class. Uh-oh, I didn't realize that. This draft class is kind of crazy. Alright, we gotta get rid of Filipowski so we can get Keyshawn George back. Alright, the Bucks are gonna give us 2 firsts. I'll take that. So now let's go get Keyshawn George back. Alright, we got Keyshawn George back. That's way too much money for an 83 overall. What does this get us? What does just Keyshawn get us? Okay, these offers are not great. Bam is never touching a Wizards jersey. Do I have Steve Nash on my game? Sure, Will Riley. So now he's untouchable. Great. We just need a backup 5. Ryan Kalkbrenner and a first. I'm gonna get rid of that lottery protection. Give it to me unprotected. Olivier, it's been real. They're giving me a first round pick. They're giving me 2 unprotected firsts. Alright. Going into next year. Trae Young and Kingston Flemings. AJ DeBonsa and Nikola. Tyron Stokes and Jalen Johnson. Chet Holmgren and Keyshawn George. Jokic and Ryan Kalkbrenner. This is Sometimes Why, and I will see you guys in part 4.